Thomas and Vector were finally on their way home.
Bus my buffers. We've been away for quite a while, haven't we, Vector? Well said, best buddy. Well said.
Then there was trouble.
Thomas and Vector come as quick as you can. Megatron's escaped and he's way out of hand.
That feels good looking, guys.
Please hurry. We've detected massive amounts of copyright infringement coming from Sector 7.
That's the smelter's yard.
The smelter's yard?
Sinister Russians!
The smelter's yard.
See, I just pooped in my pants.
No time for that now. Engage unauthorized but non-commercial trademark violation. Give it up, Megatrain. That's enough for today. You've caused quite enough confusion, not to mention the delay.
Sanctimonious, Stevie. I'm Megatrain no more. But now I am Galvatrain, and substantially more hardcore.
Fireboxes, fizzling, boilers, bubbling. Vector, you have to call for help.
What help you? Bring the pain.
Now engaging Combiner Class Transformation. Percy. James. Gordon. Henry. Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas the Tank Engine.
Well, whack my butt. I was hoping you'd say that.
Thomas and Vector, please keep your eyes peeled. He had an accomplice, as of yet unrevealed.
Unicrane. You'll never get Transorders. I'll fly into space and nuke Sodor from orbit. Not on our watch.
It's Coosting Arrow.
Now engaging lift kit modification.
You're always so cranky. Now that I'm crossed, I'll picture myself for good. Lack of balls.
And once again the day was saved by Thomas and his friends. Because when Vector comes to Soda, the adventure never ends.
Yep, I pooped in my pants.
Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas the Tank Engine.
Guys, we're getting sued.